everyone, I'm wearing a mask and taking it off right now after 10 minutes. Ooh.
I am ready to start my makeup. Right. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do a little bit of a glam makeup. Put this BB cream. Make sure that all the essence and the lotion and all of that from the mask totally absorbed into your skin. We're ready to use the BB cream.
When you're applying BB cream, make sure that you are applying small amount and evenly on your face. A face mask beforehand really helps my skin to receive BB cream well. This BB cream wears super close to your skin and it's impressive how well it's fitting on my face, blending all over my face with fingers carefully to complete a spotless face makeup.
I'm going to use a little bit more of a BB cream to cover it up.
Using a bit more of BB cream to cover up the areas that I didn't cover before, putting on delicately next to the nose area and the areas that are not covered yet.
Then onto the eyebrows.
Using a light brown eyebrow pencil will make my look to be more natural, and I love this texture and the brush is good.
This is like the best kind of eyebrow for people who are new to makeup, because I feel like it's super easy to maneuver and you don't have to sharpen it, and then it kind of like it kind of like goes really easy. You have to this pointy side to onto your eyebrow.
The texture of this eyebrow pencil is so soft that you can go over it as many times as you would like to make the desirable brow shape. For me, it takes a good amount of time to draw eyebrows because I believe eyebrows always call attention. And now I'm using the pencil to see
like
if they are well
if
balanced.
it's all lined.
And upwards and the downwards.
Eyelashes. On this side also. Once you grab it, and then upward. Use my palette. In a round motion. Put it on your eyelid.
If you don't blend it well, it's gonna look really weird. So make sure to blend really well.
Right. And then with a brown, a bit of shimmer.
Putting on darker brown with gold shimmer on the outer side of your eyes is going to help you create a deeper look. And with the help of this palette, we're going to put a darker brown color with gold shimmer again. And this is going to help create a 3D effect on your eyes. Tap, 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 tap. We're going to generally put this onto the eyelid, close to the crease area to create a 3D look.
And you use diamond and breakfast. Diamonds for breakfast. A little bit. Because I feel like the other day I did a lot. Eyeliner. This liquid eyeliner. It comes out a lot, so you have to kind of like, you have to control the amount that is on your brush.
This eyeliner is really great, but it's really hard to maneuver for me because the brush itself is really long. The stick part is really long, so you have to really control the movement.
Under eyeliner.
Let's put this under eyeliner, not too strong, with like a light pressure, because otherwise it's going to look really strong.
Mascara.
This mascara really
like
glams
colored
up
what I
your
usually
eye,
use.
and I love how full your eyelashes become with the help of this mascara. This mascara is a jet black color. I'm using a jet black color instead of a brown color because I want to highlight my eyelashes because I don't really have a lot. We're going to use the stick eyeshadow to make an underline pop. I like this color a lot because instead of yellowy gold color, the khaki is really sexy and it's going to make a good combination with the upper eye. Ta-da! Little bit more in the corner of your eye and we're done. Yay, the other eye is done too. Just to make sure that all of the eye area is well blended, I'm going to go over a little bit. And now we're on to the blush. We're going to use a baby Indian pink color with gold shimmer to go over a little bit of the upper cheek area, and we're going to blend, 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 blend.
I'm going to use like a toned down pink or nude. Let me see. This is a good color.
Using a MLBB color on my lips
MLBB
for
color.
a more of a sophisticated look. Oh my god, I love this color on my lips. Actually, other than like a hot pink or a baby pink, it's going to complement the eye makeup really well with this sophisticated Indian pink color. It's toned down and beautiful.
Right here. I use this, and then I use this one for the middle of the lips.
And for the middle part, we're going to use a darker MLBB color for a fuller lips.
And then to top it off, I need a little bit of a shimmer that has, it's a little bit of a gloss.
And this little bit of gloss for the cherry on top. Woo, so cute. I love
I
this.
didn't use any contouring. I didn't use any primer or anything. I just did it with simple eyeshadows and then a little bit of MLBB lips. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for clicking on my video. Without too much makeup, you can still make decent and daily makeup which you can wear to anywhere, you know. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.
Good makeup is like sprinkle on your favorite cupcake. I hope you have the best day, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.